and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram name without waiting 14 days. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, let's just open up Instagram and say I've changed my name a couple times and I want to change it again, but I have to wait those 14 days. I'm going to walk you through what you can do to change it without waiting. We're going to tap on the profile at the bottom right here, and then you can see edit profile. I'm going to tap on that button, and then I'm going to tap on name here. And it says on here you can only change your name twice within 14 days. So if you've changed your name twice already within a 14-day window, Instagram won't let you change your name again. If you only changed it once, you can go ahead and change it to whatever you want and hit the done button, and you'll be good to go. But if you have changed it, let's just go back out of here and cancel. You're going to hit the 3 lines at the top right here. We're going to go into settings, the very first option. And then the second to last, we're going to tap on help. Here we're going to say report a problem. And then we're going to go to report problem without shaking. Now, this will allow you to explain why you need to change your name without waiting those 14 days. And you can do something like, my siblings stole my phone and changed my name, or I accidentally misspelled my name. You might want to upload a photo of, say, your driver's license if you're just trying to change it to your actual real name and say, maybe I misspelled my name. Go through the steps and explain to them why you need your name changed and why you shouldn't wait those 14 days, and they should get back to you within a few days, and hopefully we'll be able to change your name and give you one more change within those 14 days. Hope that helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.